Okay, so we got our latest demo bike. It's an 1100 Scrambler. Just going to uncrate it now and put him together, and we'll get to see what these guys look like in the flesh. Let's do it. Okay, so we've cut the strap off, cut the tape. Let's see what this beauty looks like. Oh, it comes with a free hat. That looks pretty cool. What the hell? They've smuggled a person. Last video before we remove the crate. There we go. Seat looks good. We've fueled her up. Put a few bits and pieces on it. And we'll fire it up in a second. So here's a look over the bike. It actually looks really good. I probably like these shiny pipes. They're like new for the Scrambler range. They're normally the stainless steel look, but that looks quite good. Hopefully they don't discolour. They'd be pretty good, I'd imagine. Let's have a quick look over the front of it. So they're still oil cooled, oil and air. So no water radiator at the front, just an oil cooler. Alrighty, let's have a look at the dash. It's quite good. Okay, so like normal, this has never been started before. Here we go. Here's a quick look at the dashboard display on the Scrambler 1100. So, key on. Yeah, a lot different to the 800 Scrambler. So we're in active mode, which is full power, and the traction controls on level 2. So now you hold this button in, which then lets us scroll through which mode we'd like to be in. So basically we're able to select which power output we want and traction control preset levels by pushing these up and down arrows. And basically you select the one you like and you press the enter key once. It's as simple as that. So now we're in city mode, so underpowered or low power. Traction controls on level 3. So I'll hold the enter button in, push the up arrow, and then tap the enter button. You've changed the riding mode. You can do it while you're riding the bike. It'll instruct you to close the throttle and release the brakes. That's basically it. It does all the other features too, like the, you'd have the trip meters and all the rest of it. I rode it actually yesterday, and it was really quite good. It sounds good. The pipes are quite loud. It's a good note that comes out the back of it. So no, I really like riding it. When the weather comes good, we'll take it for another ride. Might even post another video for you.